What's the meaning of bendy bus? Bendy bus. Bendy bus.
Bendy bus. Bendy bus. A bendy bus is a type of public transportation vehicle designed with a flexible midsection allowing it to bend in the middle. The purpose of this design is to allow for greater capacity and maneuverability on busy urban routes. These buses are typically longer than traditional buses and can carry more passengers. Bendy buses are commonly used in cities around the world, including London, Paris, and Amsterdam. They are often controversial due to concerns about safety and their impact on traffic congestion. Despite this, many urban planners and transit officials see bendy buses as a viable option for improving public transportation in densely populated areas.